Good morning. This is your new fully computerized coffee machine. During the coffee break, it is designed to serve you, like so.
Thank you.
You are quite welcome. Surely you can see that a computerized coffee machine is a great boon to man. Indeed, this unit is designed for faultless, maintenance-free operation, since it is carefully engineered from the strongest, costliest of components. For example, on your right is a digital caffeinetic generator, filled with a complex circuitry containing 74 pica analog capacitors and attenuated dicotyl displays for maximum coffee control. This is one of the most valuable components in the system. Likewise, the reverse roller oblongata, which controls the dispensing of sugar, auxiliary coordinates. This contains a series of Maxome ratchet coils producing an intaglio of numismatic velocity control eccentric dextrose wavelengths. This unit alone is worth over $18,000. By way of contrast, the Doppler sublimated tilt ring platen, located on the front of the generator, can be purchased in any hardware store for about 37 cents. Finally, the terminal backspace holograph interposer is equalized for paper cup handling with drive manual nitrocellulose for solid-state physical destination. In conclusion, your computerized coffee machine is equipped to ward off vandals. If this machine is damaged in any way, the unit has a hair trigger booby trap mechanism filled with the most powerful explosive known to man.
What?